Our true hairline design uses micro and macro disorders as an advantage to sustain natural looking and facilitates the frontal temporal transition. At Smile, everything begins with analysis. The true planning technique ensures natural-looking hair transplant results through careful evaluation. We consider each patient's expectations, and our doctors thoroughly examine the donor area during the planning stage.
Average numbers. This could be different with you because you have, for example, more thin, so that number drops, or you have more multiple hairs, so it grows more, like 10,000 hairs. But I think you have the average as far as I'm seeing from here, but it's very subjective. We should extract the grafts and we should count and we should know at that time.
Understood.
But because it's a larger area, that increases the number.
Yeah.
Because your hairline is usually it's lower with patients, but it's long,
Right.
like 9 centimeter, 18.
So that'll make up even more grafts just to...
Exactly, because
Yeah.
it's a centimeter square calculation.
Yeah.
Plus, just here one, for example. I will tell you so you understand better. So, 1 centimeter lowering here and that part, times 18 centimeters square, times 55 follicles per centimeter square, 1,000 graft.
Oh yeah, it's just there.
Just there.
Wow. Okay.
Plus you have here, and
Yeah.
crown.
Yeah. It's just
That increases the number.
Okay. How many grafts would you say like the average donor can produce? Like, or at least
It
let's say-
depends on from patient to patient. Yours in total number, I think, according to my experience, of course, it's subjective still, 7,000-8,000 maybe.
Okay. Yeah. So.
So we will take the half of it today, nearly.
I trust that.
Of course, it's hard to imagine how it's
Yeah.
gonna look like, I know. It's not a big thing that we draw the line only. The important thing is which areas we need to cover.
Yeah.
That's the reason it's more important. But of course, when you look, whatever you see in the mirror, it should be symmetric, even not too different than each other. Of course, perfect symmetricity, which we do not want.
Right.
First 10 days, if someone looks at that, it should be important, because otherwise sometimes patients could be disappointed about, this is high, this is not symmetric,
Right.
so it's not the right thing. But when it grows, it doesn't matter, because if we draw mine or yours or anyone in the room, probably they have some differences, but because it's growing and there is a hair fringe, we don't see that too much. Today our aim, our goal is to create the same line here, here too. So we need to fill that part. Sometimes patients request to have that triangle to there too. That's a little bit hard for some patients, because we need to find the right grafts, right hairs from here to restore that part.
Right.
And even we can hide these hair transplantation marks. Here is a little bit hard to do it.
At Smile Hair Clinic, every Sapphire FUE procedure is personally led by me and my medical team. I meet each patient face to face, and we design the hairline together to ensure it suits your facial features and expectations.